Hi, Matt Beyer of Matt Beyer Organizing and author of The Circulation Solution with your #1 organizing tool. In my book, I describe circulation as a plan for movement in a series of manageable, reliable stages. Circulation prevents accumulation, and the #1 tool for easy circulation is a clear work surface. So maybe you're wondering, why am I calling this a tool? Isn't it more of a piece of furniture? If you want to make organizing easier, call this a tool. Why? Because a tool always has a specific purpose. The purpose of a hammer is driving nails. The purpose of a work surface is processing. A clear work surface allows you to process and circulate dishes, to process and circulate laundry, to process and circulate paper, to process and circulate everything. The #1 organizing mistake you can make is to squander your work surface on storage. This is where organizing goes to die. Therefore, your #1 daily organizing habit is to clear off your work surfaces before you go to bed. This includes your kitchen counters, your dining room table, and your desk. That way, you've always got a clear runway to take off on in the morning. Of course, to make it easy to clear your surfaces, you need to have easy places to store your items. All storage choices should be made with the goal of surface freedom. We'll cover storage another time. What work surface should you buy? Well, that's far less important than keeping whatever surfaces you have clear. However, I do have a product recommendation, which I will be sharing in my next video. Stay organized, everyone. I'll see you around. If you haven't already, please be sure to download my best-selling organizing book, The Circulation Solution, for free. And if you'd like to get some organizing help through your computer, check out my virtual organizing services. And if you're ready for some COVID-safe, hands-on organizing with our all-new virtual review, contact me for a free virtual consultation.